Welcome back. My name is Palaj Vishwas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And also today discuss the classification of conveyors. And this is the topic is belongs to this the materials handling subjects. And also this is my lecture number 9 is given. And few outlines is considered according to your this that like your the belt conveyor, chain conveyor, hull conveyor, and also bulk and miscellaneous handling equipments will be here. The belt conveyors, the basically the we have to concentrate according to this the belt conveyor of this your the classification of this the conveyors. The a belt conveyor is considered according to your the flat belt, that like your the special class flat belt will be considered according to your the convey of your materials from this the one place to your the another place. That like your the belt conveyor is concentrated is basically belt conveyor is used the different places, that like your the manufacturing industries and where the mass productions will be done and also your the best productions will be done. Then you have to concentrate according to your the product materials that the go through your the one place to the another place through your the belt conveyors. And basically the belt conveyor is concentrated according to your the flat shape on this the upper part of the belts, and also the lower parts you have to mount it to your the different the pulleys will be given, that like your the pulley will be transfer this belts on place to the another place, and also this pulley will be given to your the motions. And also basically the two pulleys the basics concepts will be come during to your the belt conveyor, that like one is the driver pulley, another is the driven pulley. And your the driver pulley is the given to your the movements for your the forward directions, and also the driven pulley will be considered according to your the follower of this pulleys will be come, that like the driver pulley is given to this direction, and also forward pulley and the driven pulley also will be considered according to your the opposite directions will be considered. And driver or driven is given to your the belt conveyor, and sometimes you have to consider according to your the long distance of your belt will be movements from your the so much long distance. Then you have to consider it according to your the some idler will be concentrated according to this the to avoid to your this belt is the sagging operations. That means your the belt will be come during to your the materials own loads, this will be goes to the downward directions, this will be concentrated according to your the sagging. And during the avoid these saggings you have to given some idler pulley is the for this the support system of this materials not will be saggings will be done on the places. Then you have to given some supports during to your the idler pulley, and this idler pulley also will be rotated during to this the same directions of belts. And during to this this idler pulley is the movements, because the idler pulley is the not will be movement during the forward direction. Then this will be frictions is comes on that points, and during to this the frictions these belts will be the maybe crack, and also the maybe breaks will be done. But for this you have to concentrate avoid to this the wear and tears, that like you have to given to your the idler pulleys. And this will be movements also will be to this the forward direction, that like your the belt is the movements. And suppose our the conveyor belts like your the flat belt, you can see or the different type of power plants when the coal is handled properly and the one place to this another place, then you have to use for your the belt conveyor. And a few cases the different type of coal bunker, the coal bunker is placed on your the power plant industries. And also your the coal is handled through coal is first comes inside of your the plant, and again this required for the coal transfer from the your wagon to your the different coal bunker. Then how you have to transfer this coal on this your the then your the belt will be movements, and also the starting for your the belt. And first you have to require for the wagon tipler, this will be tip is coal on this on your coal is placed on this the flat shape of these belts. And again these belts will be starting for the movements. And again the few according to your the requirements, this will be systems will be given, that like your the cyclone separators will be given. And during to your the concentrations your materials will be placed to your the point to points. And there is no extra people will be required, that like your the transfer of coal from this the one place to this the another place. And this will be actually used for your the different power plant industry. And another things will be considered according to your the different manufacturing industry. Suppose your the product will be comes that like your from this the furnace, but this product will be the very high temperature will be belongs to this product, and but this product will be not take up by your the human beings, because this will be temperature is the much more high. And another things will be that these places your the product will be taken by your hands, or this another obstructions and the another equipment you have to touch on this product, so then your product will be product shapes also will be changed. For this type of products will be required for your solidifications will be there. And during to this movement of this, and suppose you're staying on your product on this the solidifications procedures, then your second product will be not produced at that time. For this you have to require for your the movement of your product from your the casting places to the far distance, and again you have to require for space that like your the second product will be come out from your the furnace. Then for this you have to use for your the belt conveyors, then place your products will be movements, and also your belt also will be movements, and your the output products also will be movement from your then this during to your the solidification procedures will be done during to your the movement of this the one place to the another place. And as like the few on engineers or the on skilled workers or inspectors will be standing on your these situations, and again you have to check this product during to your the production times, like your belt will be rotates, and also your materials will be movement from the one station to the another station. And this will be concerned according to your the belt conveyor here. And basically the belt conveyor is the classification that like that. The special classes of chain conveyors, or in which the another things is that like that to trod load is pushed or the pull, and the weight is and another thing is the closed carried by the stationary top the surface of or rail is considered according to your the closed carries belt conveyor is here. Suppose the belt conveyor is considered according to your the open belt conveyors as like as your the closed belt conveyors, and like your the closed belt will be considered will be the opposite directions will be comes, just like your the driver pulley and also the driven pulley will be movement is here. And number 4 is comes here, like your the metallic belt conveyor, metallic belts, like your the few drags is considered according to your the metallic belts. Basically the metallic belt you can see for this or the different type of movement of your materials, like the one place to this another place, and also that like your the bulk type of materials will be transferred from one place to this another place. Then you have to concentration according to your the metallic belt conveyor. But your the metallic belt conveyor, just like your the disadvantage is here, that is the metallic belt conveyor is the heavy weight of your this metallic belts, and then you have to handle is the few cases the difficulties is arise. But according to your the requirements, just like the bulky type of materials will be movements the proper way, there is the no wastage of materials, and then you have, can be used during to your the metallic belt conveyor, that like your the drag chain is considered here. Another thing is considered according portable belt conveyor. The few cases we can see that like your the portable type of belt conveyor is used for your the material is the loading and unloading conditions. This type of belt is used. In a few cases we can see your according to your requirements you have to transfer of your belt conveyors, and also you have to loading of your materials, and again you have to take in your belt conveyor on inside of your this car or trucks. Then you have to reaching to your the places, then again you have to use to your the unloading purpose for your the portable belt conveyors. And this will be also concentrated according to your the under the classification of belt conveyor is here. And this is the applied type is here. And telescoping is telescoping belt conveyor also will be used at like your the loading and unloading condition. Then also you have to use the telescoping belt conveyor for your the requirement, and then like your the tau type of belt conveyor is here. You can see this is the different type of figure will be given, just like one is the chain conveyor. First you can see that like your the coal handling power plants. This is the different bunker will be available, and also this bed will be given for protection, so that like you have to given a simple shade, like your the tin shades will be given, but you have to protect it from the water only, and also water and sun. Then you can see the left top left from the corners you can see the one way belt conveyor devices, and also this the one figure you can see just like your the power plant industry, you have to transfer your materials through your the belt through this belts is here. And the second one is considered according to this also will be some the another stone breaking the stone shifts industry, you can see that like your the stone will be transferred through your the belt conveyor device, and also you have to use the proper way. The one will be given to your the loading and other places, you have to concentrate according to your the unloading conditions, and also your materials will be moved, and that like your the materials will be again required to loads during to these procedures, and also your the crane is used during to your the loading and unloading condition from these places. And also another things you can see that like your the red color will be belt, this is the concentrate according to your the like the telescoping of belt conveyor. And also this one be used for your the unloading purpose also, that is like your materials will be loaded, the materials is the place on this the topmost portion, and also this will be recessed to this your the ground part. This is the loading and unloading purpose, this is the use for your the this type of belt conveyor. And the right bottom corner you can see on your the chain conveyor also will be here, like your or the metallic belt conveyor, you can see this is the metallic belt. And also the during to this type of metallic belt conveyor, your package type of materials you have to transfer through your the this metallic type belt conveyor is used for your the movement of materials on place to the another place. And also so far the distance you have to you transfer your the materials, that like your that this type of metallic belt conveyor is used. And again this type of belt conveyor is considered according to your the fixation of belt, what is the not difficult for your the different crossroads will be comes on your the materials movements. And also this is the brake will become, because this the chain materials belt conveyor not will be breaking inside of your this metal your the longevity is very high during to your the transfer of materials from your the for this your the metallic belt conveyor is used for your the transfer of materials from this the one place to the another place. And another is concentrate according to your the chain conveyor. Overhead apron or pan conveyor is here, like your the plus floor slot under floats will be considered, and the crossbar or arm conveyors is here, cable conveyor. And also the car type or this the pallet conveyors is considered according to your the chain conveyor. You can see that like your the overhead apron or pan conveyors is given, that like your the different pan is used. And also you can see the previous figures, you have to the chain metallic belt conveyor, you have to concentrate say corrugated pan will be given, that like your on this chain or this the metallic bits, then this will be transfer for you this the materials through this the one place to the another place. And also sometimes you can see that like your the bulky type of materials oil can be transferred through your the apron or this the pan type of conveyor. And during to your the this pan type of conveyor, you have to bulky loads, and also there is a longevity is under very high, like your the strength will be required for very high, then you have to use for your the apron or this the pan type conveyors. And another things is the plus floor slat under floor will be required for your the another chain conveyor. And also crossbar or arm conveyors will be given, that like your the crossbar or arm conveyor will be used for your the vertical movements will be vertical movement to this the upward direction, your materials will be moved, that like your you have to use for your the crossbar or arm conveyor. During to your the crossbar or arm conveyors, this will be maybe portable type of chain conveyor will be considered according to this, like your the merry-go-round, you have to concentrate according to your the this type of crossbar or arm conveyors type of device will be considered according to your the movement of chain conveyors. And another will be comes during to your the cable conveyor, that like your the cable conveyor is the very easily understand from my students. Suppose you have to go to your the Nico Parks, then you have to Nico Parks, you can see that like your the on conveyor is available, that like your the cable is mounted from this the one station to this the another station, and again you have to transfer your materials, that like very easily on buckets will be hanging on this the cable. And during to this cable, and this materials will be transferred through this the one station to the another station, because this will be very easy to transfer from this the one one station to this another station. This is the much more advantage is here, that like your the cable conveyor, the one people is standing to this the on play parts, another people is standing to this the another end of your system, but only your people will be sitting here, but this will be one is the record for the loading people, and the another will be record for the unloading persons will be available, because the loading people will be standing on the station, and he will be loaded this materials, and also this will be transferred through your the cable conveyor, and again this is the electricity is available, then your cable will be movement easily, there is a no movement easily according to your the systems, and another end the people will be standing is here, and this will be required for your the unloading of your materials, and again this will be very advantages here, basically there is a no occupied area is required during to your the on this the plant, and the few only this will be movement according to your the sky or the upper part um, of your plants, then this will be movement through your the hanging conditions, and also there is a no place, or the there is a no land is required for your this road will be construction, and this is the cable conveyor is here, and basically this cable conveyor another advantage is here, that like you the this will be not any difficulties will be come during to your the movement of materials from this the one station to the another station. Another things, there is a somewhat long distance in your plants, then you have to use your the this type of cable conveyor, then easily you have to transfer your materials, only the one station you have to put up your materials, and the another end this will be take up of your materials. Suppose your the this cable conveyor can be used for your the for the two hills only, in between of this the two hills. For suppose you are the in between of these two hills, you have to send this for any type of materials, but there is a no people is standing here, that like your the this type of equipment will be sent to this another hill area, then this will be very easily done by your this the cable conveyors also. And another is comes here, that like your the car type or the pallet conveyor is here, that like your the car type conveyor is concentrated according to your the different small car will be the movements, like your the different toys cars will become the pair, you can see the a baby will be movement the round and rounds, and also during to this rounds you have to sit up on this small car will be here, and during to this small type of car is used during toward the transfer of materials from this one station to the another station, and during to this movement of cars you have to given the on roads will be required to this is basically the limited zone area will be concentrated according to your the movement of your this car. Suppose now we can see the different type of car type of conveyors will be like the on dragons will be considered the different fare, we can see very easily also your the rights of this the human beings, and then you have to place of your materials the one car, and again this will be reached to this your record places also, and this will be concentrated according to your the car type, or this the pallet type is conveyor is here, that like this is the concentrate according to your the chain conveyor. You can see this will be the chain conveyor is available in this figures, the left reaction, this is the figure, you can see this is the chain conveyor, that this will be the metallic chain will be available, and also your this materials will be movement proper way, and also this will be reached to your the required places also, and according to your requirements, the also this will be reached to your the those people will be concentrated according to your the packagings will be done during to this system, then this these places you have to standing here, and also there all materials will be comes on this places, and also this will be required for your the stacking is another things will be packaged properly, and this will be concentrated according to your the chain conveyor. And another things will be here, that like your the crossbar or arm conveyor is here, that you can see that like your the different type of arm is coming here, and also the this materials will be movement is a proper way, that like the different arm is connected to each other, and also your materials will be movement the proper way, and the simple baskets will be putting here, and also your this materials will be putting the proper places also will be concentrated, and also this different type of box will be available, and this is a hopper will be comes during to your the in front of this box, and also your the materials will be feed and again your materials will be take up from this the different type of baskets will be here, and this will be comes from your the crossbar or arm conveyors. This is the people will be standing in front of your the different baskets, and these baskets will be fill up from just like your the different hopper, and also this will be transferred to your the on people to this another people, like as this will be record for your the quality experience also. And again this is the reaching to this the customers according to your the crossbar arm conveyor is used during to these systems. The bucket conveyors, that is the bucket conveyor is concentrates as like as cable conveyor. uh, Bucket conveyor is the basically similar to your the cable conveyor. Basically on the cable conveyor, without cable conveyor this bucket conveyor is not have, and also the without bucket conveyor cable conveyor is also will be the valueless, because your the bucket conveyor you have to putting a buckets inside through your the cable conveyors also, and you have to placed on your the bucket conveyor, just like your the bucket is placed on this your the cable, and then this will be movement from this the one place to this the another place. And also during to this bucket conveyor you have to concentrate according to your the gravity discharge also. EM mass gravity discharge is comes here during to your the bucket conveyor, that like your the material is used for your a buckets, that like your the transfer of one station to this the another stations also. And the carrier chain and flat top, this is the carrier chain and flat tops also will be concentrated according to this the under the group of the bucket conveyors. And the pivoted bucket, and basically in the few cases we can see your bucket is pivoted with this here, and then the few structure also will be given, that like your the movement of materials and the for one station to this another station. But you have to concentrate according to this the different type of suppose your the lift will be considered according to your the vertical movements will be found, that is the one bucket will be concentrated according to this. And similarly a few cases we have to here the different type of buckets will be given, that suppose your the wood will be comes from your the from this the coal industry, then this bucket will be given, and also this will be put through this the your mines, and also the different materials will be comes during to your the this type of buckets is used for your the and that like your the pivoted buckets also will be concentrated here. And another is the trolley type of trolley type conveyors according to your the bucket conveyors. Few cases you have to use that like your the trolley. Suppose or the different shopping mall we can go, and also the one bucket is the available, that like your the lower part of this bucket is the four wheel will be mounted properly, and also you send every things of your materials you are putting inside of these buckets, and again you have to pushing this force, and some few cases you have to pulling this force, you have to reaching to your the to your the build sections, and again you have to build this materials, and you have to take this materials, and also you have to pay is given, and again this will be goes to your home, and this will be concentrates according to your the this type of trolley systems will be available. And suppose your the trolley bags also will be concentrated like your the on the bucket will be here, and during to your the this trolley is used for your the different places for your the transfer of materials from this one place to the another place. And this will be trolley is used the different trolley bags will be considered, and also during to the marketing you have to concentrate according to your the trolley will be here. And suppose you have to some tours different places, then you have to concentrate according to your the different trolley is used, or the trolley bags will be used for your the movement of materials from one place to this another place. And another things is here, that like your the bucket elevators. The suppose the bucket elevators is available when you have to transfer this materials, that like your the suppose the 22 floor constructions will be done during to this system, then you have to transfer your materials, that make your the raw materials will be transferred from this the ground floor to your the top floors. And the few cases according to your the required floors you have to transfer your materials through your the bucket elevators will be used, and during to your the transfer of materials. And basically we can see when we have to goes to the our Calcutta in the different places, we can see that this type of bucket elevator is used for that is the on bucket will be concentrated, that like your the capsule type of lifts is used for your the different type of the multiplex multi-storage complex also will be here, and also you have to use this like your the bucket elevator is used. Another is the powered and free concentrates will be under this the bucket conveyor is considered. And the roller conveyors this comes here, just like your the gravity odd drivens and also the portable roller conveyors is here. The few cases we have to see that like your the portable roller conveyors will be that used for your the transfer of one place to this another place, and basically this portable roller conveyor is used and like your the transfer of materials from the suppose your the package materials will be transferred. And a few cases we can see your the packaging will be done is here, but you have to transfer this materials. Suppose your the 20 meters or the 50 meters distance will be considered, then you have to consider according to your the portable roller conveyors, and again you have to transfer your materials the proper way from this the one place to this the another place. And suppose your the different package will be done, and again your one package you have to putting here and also given to your the pulling ports, and again this materials will be reaching to your the required places also will be here. And basically this is the concentrate according to your the portable roller conveyors is here. And another thing is here like your the screw conveyor, like your the hydraulic conveyor, pneumatic conveyors is given for your the different the conveyor systems will be considered. And basically the screw conveyor is comes suppose your the our lathe we can concentrate according to your the lead screw is be given, that like your the screw is the convey your the few cases we can see like the on motions will be transferred through your the screw conveyors. And another your this motions will be required for your the concentrations. And another things the screw conveyors we have to movement of different type of materials also, that like your the different buckets, and also the another buckets, and also the energy will be transferred through your the screw conveyor. Suppose your the screw that like your the lead screw is used for your the lathe, and this lead screw will be used for your the transfer of motions also, and also the during to your the movement of lathe blocks. And another is here the hydraulic conveyors you have to concentrate during to your the movement of materials, just like your the hydraulic fluid is used for the transfer of materials, but like your the one place to this another place. Suppose your the hydraulic conveyors is used for your the different type of materials will be movement, like your the hydraulic fluids is used for the like your the hydraulic paste will be given, and also the plunger is available during to movement of this. And another is the pneumatic conveyor system. Suppose your the pneumatic conveyor systems, your materials will be movement through your the air, the fluid is used as air, and during to this the movement of materials the on place to the another place, that like your the pneumatic conveyor is concentrates that like is here. The suppose your the pipeline conveyor is concentrated according to your the pneumatic conveyors, and during to your the different pipelines you have to transfer your some small particles, and like your the particle type of materials will be movement through your the pipeline systems. And also you have to given some pulling ports, and air is used, that like your the pipeline system the air activates gravity, that like your the air slides will be here. And another is concentrated according to the tube conveyors, and the tube conveyors is the under this concentrate according to the pneumatic conveyor system. And during to your the tube conveyors this material is flow through your the tube, then this will be conveyor is considered according to your the tube conveyors. And this figures is so that like your the roller type of conveyor is here, and during to this roller is given, and also this the left and right parts you have to see during to your the on a chain will be mounted according to this type of different roller is connected to each other. And also you have to putting your materials on this roller, and just like your the your materials is always the packaging the concentrations will be here, like after packaging of materials you have to place on this type of roller. And bulk and miscellaneous handling equipment is here, excavator, belt, wagons, mobile transfer conveyors, spreaders, and also the stackers, the reclaimer and the stackers and reclaimers, and the ship loader and the unloaders, the containers handling cranes will be here, the damper and loaders will be here, and also the tippler trucks, the wagon tipler etc. is considered according to this. Here the bulk and miscellaneous handling equipment is here. Thank you, students.